Hey my loves, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Shanice. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell before you go so you don't miss out on any of these amazing recipes. As you guys can see in this video, we will be making some delicious peanut butter banana bread. Can you guys tell how obsessed I am with the smell of this banana bread? It smells so good. Now, this is not your normal and basic banana bread. This is packed with so much goodness and it is so delicious. It's moist on the inside and crispy on the outside. So let's get into the recipe. So to a large bowl, we're going to add our dry ingredients. I'm going to go in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You can use baking soda if you prefer. I went in with a tablespoon of my buttery cinnamon roll seasoning. The link for this seasoning I will leave down below in the description box if you'd like to grab some. Of course, it's an affiliate link, so if you make any purchases, I will earn some commission from that. After that, I went in with a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to mix that all in together. Once we've combined our dry ingredients, we're going to set it to the side, and in a separate bowl, we're going to combine our wet ingredients. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is add our bananas. I'm using 3 bananas, and we're going to crush those as best as we can. Now, it's best to use the ripest bananas you have. That's going to give it that, banana flavor, and it's going to be sweeter. But it depends on how you like yours. If you're like me, I don't like that really overwhelming banana taste, so I don't use the really ripe ones. So to our crushed bananas, we're going to go in with 1.5 cups of milk. Any milk of your choice will work. I used 2% milk. Then I added 1.5 cups of melted butter. Softened room temperature butter would be a better option, but I totally forgot to take my butter out ahead of time. But of course, the melted butter gets the job done. I added a teaspoon of vanilla extract, followed by 2 room temperature eggs. Then I mixed it just a little bit. Then I went in with 2 cups of granulated sugar. Now the fun part. So after all that, I added around 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And then I mixed it a little bit more. Now we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. And then I'm just going to whisk this all in. And of course, you could always use an electric mixer if you like. But when you have a sleeping baby, you have to be super quiet. I know all my mamas can relate to that. So just carefully combine all the ingredients without overmixing. Once we've done that, I'm going to go in with around 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips. And we're going to fold all that in using a spatula. You want to scrape down the sides of the batter that are sticking to your bowl. You want to get everything combined. And of course, the peanut butter, the chocolate chips, that's totally optional. You could skip those steps. So I'm just pouring my batter into my buttered pan. And I'm just going to add some more chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips on top. And I'm going to bake at 350 for around an hour, checking at like 50 minutes with a toothpick or a knife, to see if it's ready by then. So after baking for an hour, this is how we're looking. Ooh, my entire house is smelling so good. I wish you guys could smell this. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment. And of course, I will leave the link down below in the description box to my website for this recipe that will be uploaded. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter so you don't miss out on recipes each week. That's free recipes sent straight to your email each week. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Come join the Jamaican family. Thanks again for all the support. You guys walk good. Stay safe. Until next time.